In this video, I want to talk about the preparement work of my project, which is about GitOps-style continuous delivery with Cloud Build. And this project is aimed to create a CI/CD pipeline that automatically builds a container image from committed code and stores the image in artifact registry, updates a Kubernetes manifest in a Git repository, and deploys the application to Google Kubernetes Engine, aka GKE, using that manifest. And to start with, we need to first go to the Cloud Shell, which I already opened, and we also need to retrieve our project ID first via this command gcloud right cloud config set get value project. What it returns is our project ID, which is Kubernetes-based CD, continuous delivery, and then we need to enable the required APIs, which we will use in the subsequent steps. We can do this by this command, and it will take several seconds, I guess. And we also need to create an artifact registry Docker repository to save our Docker image. We can name it as my repository in the US Central 1 region to store our container images. Okay. Okay, so my repository created, and we need to create a GKE, Google Kubernetes Engine cluster that we will use to deploy the sample application. And we create an autopilot cluster named Hello Cloud Build. Here the creating process is done, and we can see the version, the IP address, the type, version, the number of nodes, pods, status, and since it's my first time, using Git in Cloud Shell, I need to configure it with my name and email address. And in the following steps, I will create the Git repositories in Cloud Source repositories. I can also do this in to like GitLab or other Git repositories. To start with, we need to create two Git repositories, which are app and env. App means application, and in this project, it means the script, the Python script we need to run in our pods, in our nodes, in the cluster. And env means environment, and it contains the manifests for the Kubernetes deployment. So to start with, we need to first create these two Git repositories. Okay, and we need to initialize the app one with some sample code. So we need to clone the sample code from GitHub. So we return to the main. Okay, and we run the command git clone, and we clone this repository. We also need to configure Cloud Source repositories as a remote. So here we need to, okay, and we can check the check the repository we just cloned, and there's an app.py file which contains the application we need to run in the cluster. And we can see that it's about return a message of hello world. So that's a mapping notation, and that's what we have today. Thank you for watching.